Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. I have been gone for a while because my ring light broke and I had to buy another one, and it took a while, but we're back. Anyways, y'all, in today's video I'm gonna show you guys how to achieve this look that I am wearing right now. Anyways, if you guys are new to the YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, because subscribing is the only way you can be part of the Glam Squad. Y'all, in today's video I am really gonna be showing you guys a step-by-step on how to create this look. It is pretty and it is perfect for the club, for date night, just to wear around the house. Do you sis? I ain't judging, because once I'm done with this video, all I'm gonna do is take this off. No shame. Anyways, y'all, without further ado, let's just get into the video because I am talking too much. So let's go. Okay, y'all, so before we get started, you guys already know I had to do my eyebrows off camera, and I think they look like cousin. I don't know, y'all. To sharpen the eyebrows, I use the e.l.f. 16-hour Chroma Concealer Matte Finish. I use a damn beauty blender and I blend it all over the lid. Yeah. So we are going to go with the Pixie. Pretty sure this is a little pricey, but we are going to go with the Pixie Eye Effect Hazelnut Haze. And we are going with the color Bronze. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna like put this, and we're gonna create our cut crease shape that we want. So I'm just using this. I'm not even blending, just so I can create my cut crease. And then I'm also gonna go with the darkest shade of this palette, and I'm using the same brush, and I am going to dip in this cut crease that I just did. I'm gonna dip in it. Okay, so switching palette, we are gonna go with the Wetman X Colourpop Wet palette. Still love this. This fell, so I think this is supposed to be over there, but I'm gonna go with this shade. It's a very light brown, and I'm gonna put it right on top of this shadow. I am using a very dense, fluffy brush so that everything can stay where I want it to stay. Using the same e.l.f. Camo 16-hour concealer, and to cut it, I'm gonna do like boop, boop, relaxing my eyes so I can see where to make my cut crease. Period. Look how stunning. I'm gonna go with my beauty blender, and I'm gonna press the concealer into the skin. Press it. I'm gonna go with that light pink shade from Pixie, and I'm gonna put it on my cut crease. Okay, y'all, so this is a 2-in-1 liner. I'm gonna use it, and I'm gonna do a wing liner, and then I can also glue my lash with it because it's a 2-in-1. Okay, y'all, so I went on and I put like a black eyeliner under the eye. Trust me, you guys do not want to see me put black eyeliner under my eyes because I look fucking weird. Okay, y'all, eyes is all done. What we need now is a good base. So we're gonna go with the Milani Aqua Bloom This is a good hydration. I think the first thing to like having a good base is knowing what kind of skin you have. If you have oily, combined dry skin, then you can have a good base routine so that it matches with your skin tone, with your skin type. So I think that's all it is when it comes to like having a really good base. And then I'm gonna go with the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. Don't play with it. And I only use 2 pumps because it's so sticky. Okay, and then I'm gonna like put that all over. And then I'm gonna go with the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer Set and Finish. I don't know if you guys see, I have a bunch of like dark spots. You know, I'm gonna put it over there to hide all of these. My forehead, and I have a bunch of pimples. I've been stressed, y'all. I'm depressed. I'm stressed. Okay, and then now I'm going with the Bourjois Paris Healthy Mint Fondant. This is foundation in English, fondant in French. And then I'm gonna put it on my skin. It is like such a good match. I don't know, bro. That's a lot of foundation. Okay, and then I'm blending. This is like a damp beauty blender. Y'all, I'm using a beauty blender. ASMR time. I'm gonna go with the Camo Concealer because I love this. It's so good. It's been good to me. I am using the contour from the Pixie palette. It's very dark. Oh my god. I'm gonna set. Taking the excess and setting my entire face for it. Okay, y'all, so I have this. It's nude. I really want to try it. I've tried like the other colors and stuff, but not the nude one. What? Oh, I was like, why is it not coming out? Okay. Anyways, let's blush up. I look like a ghost, so let's blush up. This is the blush I'm using from the Pixie palette. I feel like this is not sponsored by Pixie because I feel like I use Pixie throughout this whole entire freaking video. Like, not sponsored, y'all, but they do be sending me PR, so I have a bunch of their products. So thank you, Pixie. Ugh, who you know be looking this. I also really don't want a very glowy highlight, so I'm gonna go with the Soul highlight. It's not that glowy, but like it gives you such a nice, gorgeous. Did you like the video? Did you like the video? Did you like the Anyways, y'all, if you have reached this far and you did not like the video, you did not subscribe, you did not leave a comment, what are you doing? What are you doing? Anyways, y'all, do that right now. I hope you guys did it. Anyways, y'all, I am gonna be posting every freaking Tuesdays from now on, so stay tuned because the content are coming. But now, see you guys in my next video. Bye.